Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I guess you can see I had to do a little work on the trailer here. I put a piece of plywood on the front on my homemade livestock trailer, and I guess you can hear that we got something in there. Eli, what'd you get?
I got 4 cows.
4 cows? Not just any cows, right?
Right. I got 2 heifers and 2 bulls. Their names are David, Goliath, Izzy, and Puppy.
Well, what's with the bottle?
They're babies. They're babies.
Are they bottle babies?
Yeah.
So we went and got these yesterday, and we just left them on the trailer so that they could calm down and relax and chill out. And we're fixing to give them their first bottle this morning. And we put this tarp over just to kind of keep the wind and the dew off of them last night. Echo's thrilled about it. So here they are. Eli asked for a cattle herd for his birthday.
No, I'm gonna feed that one because he's a big boy.
Hold it up. There you go. Not quite that one.
Okay? Come on, buddy. How are those guys doing?
Good.
I'm not gonna get to feed. Yes, you are. We might have to get in there and feed ours. They're not being too cooperative, are they?
Okay.
Come on, buddy.
Always tight. He doesn't look aggressive. He doesn't look aggressive. She's throwing it up his face, squeezing the straw. Ow!
Yeah.
Hey, Izzy has poop on her butt. Molded poop on her butt. All the cattle. Izzy's wagging her tail right now. In a little bit. When you get to us,
Keep them laying down, okay?
You have to stand up.
You're drinking a lot. How do I get mine up? Uh-oh. Is he not drinking?
Now they said that these calves have come right off the mom and never been bottle fed.
Wait, so you can't feed them while they're laying down?
Yeah.
I know. Get stressed out. Ow!
There you go. All right, Charlie.
Alright, buddy. You already got your milk in here.
There you go. Yeah, come right here in front of me.
look.
Oh, good job, Shar. Get this one to drink. Come on, buddy. Do good. Here.
Hold it up so the milk's in the around the nipple.
Izzy let go of it, and it went. Hey, thank you for getting up.
Madison, you want to hold this or not?
I can't get it back in.
Careful, don't let it.
I can't get it back in Flossy's mouth. He just let go of it. Almost done.
Well guys, there you have it. That's what Eli asked for his birthday. He wanted bottle calves. And we was looking for heifers, and so that we could keep them. But heifers is kind of hard to find, so we had done settled on just getting some steers and raising them up and selling them. But we ended up finding a guy, and he actually picked these up from the farm yesterday, and we picked them up from him the same day. So anyway, he ended up having 2 heifers and 2 little bulls. We'll probably band the bulls and sell them at market, and try to keep the heifers for breeders. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you hadn't already, go down and subscribe. We sure would appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.